Hi, my name is Roy McAfee with T-Rex Door Security. Thank you for joining me in this video as I show you the second generation JAMB installation machine, its functionality, and how to use it. The first thing I'm going to show you with the machine is how to set it up. The second generation machine uses a standard North American 110 with a grounded outlet. The second thing is you have to attach it to compressed air. The compressed air intake is located on the back of the machine here. Once the compressed air is attached to the machine, you'll have to open the valve to the machine by turning this counterclockwise. You'll hear it and it will engage the machine. Once the electricity and the air has been connected, we're going to turn the machine on. The power switch is located here. We'll give it a 90-degree turn clockwise. You'll see the power light turn on here. The next thing we have to do is reset the machine, which is this blue button here. You'll hear a click from the compressor, at which point you can come back here, and we have to start the hydraulic pump. A green light will come on, and you'll hear the compressor come on. Once the machine is up and running, we need two things to install the JAMB plate. The first is the JAMB itself. In this case, we're going to be using a 7¼ JAMB that has been prepped for a standard North American hardware set. The second thing you'll need is the JAMB plate itself. So the next thing that we'll do is we'll install the plate. The first thing we want to do to install the plate is make sure that the deadbolt hole is lined up with the guide pin. You want to make sure that the JAMB receives the guide pin and is held in place. Once the JAMB has been placed onto the machine and it is aligned, we're going to remove the machine head to install the plate. To do so, we're going to take our plate and we're going to align it on the magnetic head, making sure that both sides are flush and that the plate is flat. After we do that, we will put the hole in and we will slide the head back onto the machine. It is also magnetic and it will stick into place. Once everything is in place, we'll then install. The machine does come with an emergency shutoff switch that is found here. If the emergency shutoff switch is engaged, it will stay flush. To disengage, turn clockwise and it will pop out and you will see green here. The machine is once again ready to go. However, the next thing that you need to do here is make sure to hit the reset button and you can hear the click. A couple of things to note not to do on the machine are, number one, the sensors here need to be depressed at the same time. If there's any delay, the machine will not engage. For instance, here and then here, the machine will not engage. The second thing to note on the machine is that the operator's hands need to remain here until the machine has fully cycled. Failure to do so will result in the head not returning to its start position.